what we see, folks. So I planned this trip so that the snowplows would have had enough time to get out here on the road, and the sun would have hopefully slowed the snowfall, and I would have snuck in before nightfall when another storm is due, and I would be able to drive slower because most people know you don't drive fast in Utah. So I figured we'd have a little bit of trouble here, and sure enough, this is about 20 miles from my road, and my hill, the mountain where I live, is covered with 2 or 3 feet. My road is covered with snow. This is what it looks like on my mountain. There's no way that this truck without chains and a plow could get up there. This is snowmobile. Normal everyday people drive snowmobiles up here at this time of year. And this is why. I mean, you just don't drive a vehicle. Look, we've got another truck on the side. There's nothing they can do. These are professional drivers. This guy over here is a professional driver. And look where his truck is. Look at that. He could die there. He could die. We want to thank the first responders and thank Jesus Christ. Over and out.